Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where learning English is fun and easy. Today we are going to learn a topic active and passive voice. We will explore what they are and how you can use them effectively in your sentence. By the end of this video, you will be able to transform sentences with confidence and improve your English grammar skills. So let's get started. First, let's understand what is voice. So, voice is the form of verb which indicates whether subject does something or something has been done to it. If you don't understood it in English, so listen in Hindi. वॉइस वर्ब का एक फॉर्म है जो इंडिकेट करता है कि सब्जेक्ट कुछ करता है या सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा कुछ किया गया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी राइट्स अ लेटर. शी राइट्स अ लेटर यानी कि इन हिंदी वह एक पत्र लिखती है. इन द पैसिव वॉइस इट विल बी अ लेटर इज written by her. A letter is written by her. I will tell you how to change active voice from passive voice after knowing the types of voice and understanding them. So first we will know how many types of voice are there. So there are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice. Active voice when the subject is the doer or agent of the action, then the verb is in the active voice. If you don't understood this sentence, so you can also read this. This is in easy language. When the subject perform the actions, it is active voice. इन हिंदी जब सब्जेक्ट एक्शन को करता है या काम को करता है तब यह पैसिव वॉइस कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी राइट्स अ लेटर. शी राइट्स अ लेटर, वह एक पत्र लिखती है. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज पैसिव वॉइस. पैसिव वॉइस when the subject is the target or receiver of the action, then the verb is said to be the passive voice. In short, the subject receives the action. For example, a letter is written by her. So, your main question is how to change from active voice to passive voice. How to change a sentence from active voice to passive voice. For that, you have to understand or learn or know two chart. Your first chart is that when we change active voice sentence into passive voice, we will have to change their helping verb in the passive voice form. So does helping verb will be changed into is mr, and is mr helping verb will be changed into is mr plus being. Has have been, have been, no change. Did, was were plus being. Had been, no change. Will shall plus be. Will be, shall be, no change. Will have, या shall have. Will have, shall have plus been. Will have been, shall have been, no change. And your second chart is subject and object are exchanged. Subject, if subject he is in the sentence, then when we change it will in the passive voice, he subject will be changed into by him, she by her, it by it, you by you, we by us, they by them, I by me, name by name. So active voice, passive voice, changing formula. This is subject plus helping verb plus object. This is the rule of active voice. In the passive voice, object and it means last one will be on first one. You will pick up object and put on first position, then helping verb, then subject at last. For example, a sentence is he is drawing car. He is driving car. When we change active voice sentence from passive voice, we also change verb form. It will be always in verb third form. Here is the sentence, he is driving car. So, object. First we will write object, car. Then helping verb. Helping verb is. It is will be changed into is being. Car is being. Then verb. Driving यानी कि ड्राइविंग का थर्ड फॉर्म driven. Car is being driven. His subject will be changed into by him. Car is being driven by him. Second example, I have seen the Taj Mahal. So here is the object, the Taj Mahal. Then helping verb, have. Helping verb, have. Have will be changed into have been. The Taj Mahal. Understand here that Taj Mahal, it will be put on first position. So here is the have. You will not write here have because the Taj Mahal here is singular. You also care about the singular and plural object. Here is the singular object, the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal, then it will be has. The Taj Mahal has will be changed into has been. The Taj Mahal has been seen by me. The Taj Mahal has been seen by me. Your second example is we play football. In this sentence, we play football. Football is the object. You will put football on first position. Football. Then helping verb. As you know, this sentence is of present indefinite. When the subject comes plural, then the verb in the verb e or es do not add, and nor do or does are added. So in this, do or does are the helping verb. Do or does is changed into is mr. So football is. Play का third form played. Football is played. We subject will be changed into by us. Football is played by us. Football is played by us. She wrote a letter. She wrote a letter. A letter is the object here. Then helping verb. As you know, this sentence is of past indefinite. Here did is the helping verb. A letter, did will be changed into was or were according to its object. A letter is singular, so it will be was. A letter was written. Wrote का third form written. A letter was written by her. A letter was written by her. As you know, practice makes perfect. So here are the some sentences for your practice. change these sentences into passive voice. And if you want to more practice, then type the changed sentence from active voice to passive voice in the comment box, and if you will be true, I will like and pin your comment. So if you are new on the channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.